Hello, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, we are live now. Okay, quickly to the screens. Okay, what are we trading today?
I think I'm gonna trade US30.
Actually, what about you? What are we trading today?
Nothing in mind yet, but my main baby is gold now.
Your main baby is gold. Okay, Karim, what about you? Alright, so let's quickly look at gold before we do talk about even before we talk about gold. Normally when we start this session, how's everyone doing? Those that just joined.
We're hungry.
You're hungry. Okay. Right. So today we are not going to really talk about how's everyone doing. Those that just joined the live streams. How's everyone doing? All right, so let's start talking about cryptocurrencies. Today there's nothing much on cryptocurrencies because I'm expecting lots of sales on cryptocurrencies. So this is not the right time to buy any coin. Okay, this is not the right time to buy any coin. So we are not going to really go into these coins, what so have you. Let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. Yesterday we caught I think 200 pips yesterday. On when we sold Bitcoin, it was somewhere here yesterday, and from 63k or 62k to 59k, that is plus 300 pips. So yesterday we did catch Bitcoin 300 pips yesterday. Nice move. But what do we now look out for on Bitcoin now, right? This is the whole setup, right? On the 30 minutes time frame, still Bitcoin is having that kind of downtrend. Market goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. So this could be a series of what lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Of course we were expecting a lower highs, then the market what goes down again. So I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, right? We are going to place a trade on Bitcoin now, right? Guys, what do you think? What do you see and what do you think?
I think it's a downtrend, but I won't take an entry until 59,600.
You won't? Don't you think 59,602 would be a late entry?
Late entry.
Yes, late entry. Okay, you mean 59,600? Okay, cool. Sorry, I thought 56,000. Okay, cool. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to put a sell stop on Bitcoin. Right. Yesterday we caught 300 pips move. We don't need to, make the full profits on the live session. We can take a trade and we would get the whole profits, after the session is done. Okay, so we are going to take some sells here on Bitcoin. This is what we are going to do. um just like what happened here, you could see Bitcoin has been having pullbacks. So definitely the pullback here was, very much expected. So this is what we are going to put sell stops here at 58,200 on Bitcoin. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin till 49k. That is when I would go back being a bull, or go back being bullish. Gavin Palmer says I'm from Jamaica. Stephenson, Jamaica. Wagwan. Actually, do you speak Jamaica? Is it Patois? Their language is Patois. Do you speak Patois?
No.
Right. Alright, so sell stops at 58,200 on Bitcoin. Right. Someone says I'm still holding Bitcoin. Okay, that's also nice. So sell stops here, and our full take profit would be somewhere 54k. We are targeting 400 pips on Bitcoin today. Or it's too much. Gabi, it's too much. Karim, how are you?
It's never too much.
It's not
TPs
too
are
much.
never too much. Yeah.
This is TP. Okay, we're going to target 54,200, 400 pips on Bitcoin. Because we just need this, this to break below the zone and maybe break below the wick, and we would have a free fall to this downside. So I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, right? I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. This is going to be the only cryptocurrency trade that we are going to take. And I know people will be asking me about stop loss. We wouldn't use stop loss on this Bitcoin trade because market can, have some fake out candles. We may see, it's possible we may see some green fake out candles. That doesn't mean that it's going to really buy, right? Market can come for stops and go back into profit. So it's always best, right? We wouldn't use a stop loss on this trade, right? We are just targeting 54. I will tell you to close when it's going bad against us, right? Irene, what do you think? She's smiling. What do you think? All right, good. So that's that about Bitcoin. Now let's go look at gold quickly. Now let's put buy stops on gold here.
Alvis, I just wanted to tell you we can look at some Ethereum cells as well.
Yes, for sure. Let's take the. I don't want us to miss the gold sales. Okay, so let's put a buy stops here on gold. Let's put a buy stops on gold at I will come and explain the psychology behind this trade. I just don't want us to miss it. Buy stops on gold at 17.95. Okay, buy stops above this wick, and our TP would be 1808, 120 pips.
Well, Elvis, did you talk about the lot size for Bitcoin?
Bitcoin it depends on your account. You can use 0.01. That's better. Okay. Oh, my regards to my nephew. She's crying.
Yeah.
Gold TP would be 1808. We can take partials if possible. We'll be taking partials too. And our stop loss should have been below, but it's going to be vast. Stop loss should be placed where stop loss should be placed always. So let's look at where are we going to place this stop loss. We are going to place this stop loss 17,888. Right, we are risking, is it 50 pips or something for 130? Right. Stop loss on gold, 17,888. Okay. So if you're on the live, this is going to be the trade. Let me even turn off my WhatsApp so I don't see any message. Guys, ask your question on the live chat. I would see them here. I have two screens here. Okay. So buy stops on gold, 1795, and your TP is 1808, and your stop loss is 1788. And on Bitcoin too, so far two trades so far, and Bitcoin to sell stops at 58,200 and TP 54,200. We may always take partials. Okay, we would definitely take some partials and we go into the trade, blah blah blah. Right. Now, for those asking, how do I take profits? Which lot size should I use? Always use you can go online and just use, is it lot size calculator or something? Lot size calculator, I think. This is it. Your lot size calculator or something. It's online. You can just go type the pair you are trading, which lot size, how much are you risking, put the TPs down, everything. Everything is online. Right, there was one that I looked at yesterday which would help us. Let me see. Nice. I think it's this one. So let's say we are trading a pair like gold. Okay, let's put gold here. Gold is XAU USD, right? So let's say our account is $1,000, right? And we want to risk let's say 2% of our account balance. That means we are going to lose just $20, right? If you are going to hit stop loss. But this is a case that we are risking 5% of our account, right? That means we are going to lose, if you're using $1,000 account, you're going to lose $50, right? So you can just go online and do your own calculations, right? Ashi was saying something about, which pair was that? Saying something about Ethereum. Let's see whether we can get some sales on, because if Bitcoin is selling, definitely Ethereum also follows Bitcoin. So right, Ethereum. Right, so this would be Ethereum. If you want to make a setup here, I'm using a 30-minute time frame. So if we want to make a setup here, it's currently having a breakout. We get it, it's currently having a breakout, so that means there's going to be a more fall. So this is what we are going to do on Ethereum too, right? On this wick, I'm going to put sell stops on this wick, because if market breaks below this wick, we can flatter all the way out to the next support zone, which would be somewhere here. So how many pips can we get here? Let's see. Let me do the calculations. That's 320 pips, 330 pips. Nice. All right, so 330 pips, we can get a 330 pips on Ethereum on this breakout. Okay, Legend, please, is buy stop the same as buy limit? No, buy stop is not the same as buy limit. They are two different stuffs altogether. I'm going to explain to you. So we are going to take Ethereum trade 2. We are going to put sell stops here.
Elvis, one question please.
Yeah.
Why you did not why you didn't do the analysis on the high time frames?
Yeah. We can still do the analysis on the high time frame. Let's do it that way. That's what I taught you guys. Let's do it that way. You're going to still see the same thing, the same breakout, right?
Okay.
But we are scalping today. We are now intraday scalpers, so I don't want us to swing on this. We just want to get some pips, and we are out of the day. Like 100 pips, 200 pips, 50 pips. We are done for the day.
Great.
Do you get it?
Yes.
Makes sense, yeah. All right. So let's put a sell stop at 39,900 on Ethereum.
Elvis, after this, can we look at US30, please?
Yes, we will look at US30, of course. Definitely, we will look at US30. There's no day that I don't trade US30. Yesterday, I over traded. Guys, don't over trade. Yesterday, I always preach about over trading. Yesterday, I went to over trade and I got clapped. I should have just, buy wine with my profits. Right, so don't over trade. After this live session, whatever trade we took, keep on holding, or come ask me what is going on that pair. Don't open new positions. And now TP will be T9600. That is going to be 300 pips. Wow. So imagine if Ethereum goes well, Bitcoin goes well, we could have like 700 pips. We're not going to use stop loss because market can, after a breakout, what happens? Karim, after a breakout, what happens?
A retest.
There could be a retest. You remember what happened on the Euro Aud trade, right? I hope everyone remembers what happened on the Euro Aud trade.
Also the Nasdaq yesterday.
Yes, the Nasdaq yesterday. It after every breakout, market normally counts for a retest here. So I wouldn't be surprised seeing Ethereum back at 400 before it goes down, right? So let's just keep this. Sell stop. We're not going to use stop loss. We will use stop loss after the sell stop has been triggered. Okay. We'll use a stop loss after sell stop has been triggered. So sell stop on Ethereum at 3900, TP 3600, 300 pips targets. We would put a stop loss after sell stops has been triggered. Irene, what do you think?
I'm not taking this trade.
Okay, she's not taking this trade.
Yeah, same Elvis, because I can't, I'm following my plan, to be honest.
All right, great. And what about she actually brought us this trade? I wasn't also taking this trade, but I actually brought it.
Yeah, I'll take this trade.
She's taking this. Karim, are you taking this trade?
Yeah, personally I'm taking it.
Good luck.
Okay, great. Right, so let's go back to Bitcoin. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Synthetics, I have a lot of pairs that we are going to trade today, so be patient with me.
You're taking this trade.
Yeah, for me, I take every trade that I analyze. I've taken this trade. And this is Bitcoin sell stops. I'm also in this trade. I know definitely Irene wouldn't take this trade, so she loves the currency pairs. So let's go into currency pairs before we talk about US30. US30 market opens in 33 minutes. So, but before we talk about US30, let's understand. Let's go to Forex Factory. What news are we looking at today? All right, today is Wednesday, or today is Thursday. Wednesday, cool. So 9 p.m. in an hour, we will be having a card news. So is this card news going to be a buy or a sell? We would trade this news live today, right? We will trade this news live today, card news. We will trade it live today, and I'll show you guys how to trade the news. Now let's come back to talk about DXY. DXY, as usual, hasn't been consistent. From yesterday. Went up, came down, goes up, comes down. It's not consistent. That is why you don't see US30 being consistent, all the USD pairs being consistent. Now, when DXY is behaving this way, what do you normally do? What's the best thing I would advise you to do is not to how should I put it? Is not to take USD trades. just stay away from USD trades. Focus on other pairs, right? Focus on other pairs. So that's DXY still ranging, right? If it's ranging, that means it's going to be really tough. I wrote some pairs down here. So USD card, Euro card, sorry. Let's talk about Euro card. I remember last 2 days we did a buy limit on Euro card. Let's see how far it has gotten to. And if you weren't here, you can take the trade today. Let's check on gold. What's happening on gold now? Okay, buy stops about 1759, right? That's for gold. TP 1808. So buy stops hasn't triggered yet. If buy stops gets triggered, we will readjust our stop loss, maybe into entry or maybe close to entry, so we wouldn't lose more if in case trade goes back, right? Euro card, let's talk about Euro card. So Euro card has been buy stop has it been triggered? Yes, buy stop has been triggered on Euro card. We are having a card news today, so I think if this is going to go well for it, it's the 100 pips move should really go well for us. So Euro card, if you haven't taken this trade, you can take it. Buy now, not without even buy stops. Euro card, buy now. We took this trade 2 days ago, but it's confirmed today. Let me remove this box so it doesn't confuse you guys. Right, currently moving up in about 14 pips in profit. Euro card 14 pips in profit. We are targeting 100 pips. It could be even 200 pips, but let's just target 100. Let's just stick to Gabi's plan, 100 pips. So Euro card buy now. And you can see where the TP is, where the stop loss is. It's on the screen, right? It's on the screen. 145214. Nice.
Elvis, my broker won't let me buy stop this thing.
Come again.
They won't let me place this order. Buy stops at 1.44209.
1.4. No. Just buy now. Let me put it now. The buy stop has already been triggered.
Okay.
The buy stop has already been triggered. So buy now. Okay. Buy now. This was a trade that we took 2 days ago, and hopefully it's now triggered. So buy now. It's still valid for entry.
I'm in.
You're in.
Let's go.
All right. There's a card news today. I don't know whether it's going to be a bullish or a bearish, but I hope it be a bullish. But we are going to see about that too. The accounts are many here, so entering all of them is really stressful for me. Okay, now let's go look at USD card. Let's go look at USD card. USD card to buy now. Okay, buy USD card now. Why am I saying buy now? USD card had a breakout. Can see this. What trend is this? Let's start talking about trends. What trend is this? What trend is this?
It's an uptrend.
Series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs.
Trend.
Yes, we were expecting a higher low to this point, but market refused to go low, and this could be what we call a consolidation area, right? And market broke out of the consolidation area. It's broke out, and after every breakout, market becomes what? A parabolic move. So I'm expecting a parabolic move on USD card, right, to somewhere this TP, that is 130 pips, and we'll put our stop loss here. So buy now USD card 2, buy USD card 2. I think it's a breakout and it has confirmed, right? So that's confirmed. There's a confirmed trade. So buy USD cards 2, and our target is 132 pips, but definitely you should take profits somewhere after 50 pips or after 40 pips. I would be updating you guys every single time on the signal pages. Gabi, are you taking this one too, or you are not taking this? You are waiting for US 30?
Yes, yes, I'm taking it. Please, what's the TP?
The TP is 124879. It's on the screen. 1.24879. Right, and the stop loss is 40 pips, so we are risking 40 pips for a 130 pips. So guys, please do like the video. Yesterday the likes were too low. It was just 88 likes. We are 141 here. Please like the video, please. Euro card, Allison says Euro card since morning. Okay, Euro card has been activated since morning. Okay, great. Yalbi is updating the trades on there. Always, what do you advise on? Should we hold USD? You can hold spot trades on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrencies. Hold spot trades. How do you know how the outcome of the card news is going to affect the markets? How do I know? It's just like asking God, how did he create the world? I'm a fucking legend, bro. That's the answer. We hungry. Okay. Don't worry. Today should be good. GU fell nicely yesterday for those who held. Wow, let me go see. Let's look at GU. Wow, the sell stop just 15 pips, stop loss, beautiful. So yes, GU yesterday fell nicely to our TP. Our TP was somewhere here, so we didn't really care about what happened here, but I still think GU has to sell, considering it has already broken this support. So this support now becomes a resistance. This support now becomes a resistance. So, but let's see. I'm not in GU. I'm not taking a GU trade now. So let's see. So those that held yesterday, congratulations, 60 pips from yesterday's move. And this is what I'm trying to let you guys understand, right? Whenever we are taking a trade, right, the trade doesn't necessarily has to hit take profit during the live sessions. It can hit take profit after the live session, 2 days after the live session. So you guys need to, be patient, right? Be patient always with the way we trade. Okay, so GU, nice trade. I only make noise on trades, on US 30 trades. Currency pairs, I don't really care about currencies. I don't really, because they don't really pay me as much as US 30. That's why always you make trading exciting. God bless. Let's look at Aud USD.
Elvis, we
Yes.
can't look at US 30. I think there's a huge sell.
US 30 is ranging now. We will talk about it. I want us to talk about US 30 10 minutes into New York Open. All right, so let's go do some synthetics for those that love synthetics. Wow. Yesterday we took some buy stops on step index. Who took it? Beautiful. And I think Gabi and Ashi don't trade synthetics. Do you guys trade synthetics? Nah. Irene, you don't trade synthetics? Nah. Karim doesn't trade synthetics.
No.
Auntie Efia doesn't trade synthetics too.
Yeah, I do.
All right. So who took this trade yesterday on the live session?
Oh, I didn't take that.
Wow, yesterday we had buy stops above 217. It's currently running 130 pips. So step index plus 130 pips in profits. Now this is what we are going to do on step index, right? For those that missed this trade, we are going to use a sell stop, right? On step index, your synthetics are top notch. Blessings. Elvis, please, there's soothing music playing in the background. Can you please share the title? It's called Bogota. Bogota music. All right, so this is where I think step index has to go. It has to come touch. The TP for yesterday was 230. It has hit full TP, so we ran 130 pips yesterday. So today, this is what we are going to do. Okay, this is what we are going to do. I think if it touches the trend line, it's going to come back to 9190. Right, so how do I put this? Let me just delete everything. Right, let me just delete everything. Good. So do this. Put a sell stop on step index. I'm going to type everything here. Step index quickly before we go back to USD card, Euro card, and those stuffs. Step index, sell stops, sell in a step index. Sell stops at not sell stop, put a sell limit rather, sorry, sell limit on step index, sell limit at 9145, and our TP would be back at 9120. Right, that should be something like 250 pips. And our stop loss would be, our stop loss on step index would be 9155. That is 100 pips. Okay, so we are risking 1:2.5. Right, so this is going to be my step index trade. Okay, because there's a trend line here. All right, look at this. Let me explain why I'm taking a sell here. This whole thing is ranging, right? Normally I wouldn't trade on this, but expenses doesn't stop, so it has to form something like this. This has to come and touch the trend line, this one, right? That's is it 9245, right, before it comes down. That is why I said sell limit at 9245, right? TP and stop loss 9255, right? So let's see about step index. That is my US30 and on synthetics. Your background music matches with what we are doing here. Wow, nice. Those on the Zoom, if you have pairs for us to trade, so you can let me know. If you have pairs,
Elvis, I think we have Euro USD sells soon.
okay, Euro USD. Let's go back to look at Euro USD. Euro USD sells soon. Let's see. Right.
If you can check the 4-hour chart.
Okay, let's check from the 4-hour time frame. All right, so what trend is this on the 4-hour time frame? What trend is this?
It's a downtrend.
Okay, so downtrend, we are looking for selling opportunities, right? But the main question now boils down on, is this the right time to sell this market? Let's see with our trend line. If you're going to draw a trend line from this side to this side, yes, we get something like this, right? and markets refuse to come to this trend line, making it seem like this is what's going to happen now, right? We are going to have something like, we already have something like this. Market touched this zone and went down. Yes, it's valid. I think yes, sell on Euro USD is very valid. Now let's go to the smaller time frames to look at possible entries on this one, because this is a nice downtrend. Today actually is giving us all the trades. He's giving us all the trades. Okay, so let's say this is consolidating, right? This has formed, let's say, a double bottom, right? This, let's say, a W pattern. It has finished the W pattern. Now this is what we are going to, this is the confirmation that we are going to look at on Euro USD, right? If Euro USD doesn't break above this, this zone, this whole box, right? If it breaks above this box, we will wait and sell it here. Actually, are you paying attention? You're going to wait and sell it here. But if it rejects this level and comes somewhere here, like let me put a blue line here, we are going to take a sell. Okay, and we are going to raise maybe 10 pips or 15 pips for maybe 50 or 100 pips. So let's just wait. I don't think we should quickly take the sell, right? Let's just wait for a better entry. If it breaks above this zone, we are going to take a sell limit here. Okay, if it breaks above this level, we are going to take a sell limit here. If it doesn't break above this level, we are going to sell, below this blue line. So let's wait on Euro USD. Patience. The whole idea is not to, get every opportunity. It's just getting the best opportunities, right? Getting the best opportunities. Now let's come back to gold. Has gold triggered? Almost about to be triggered. WhatsApp video says let's make some money. Prince Edward says you are my earth. Elvis, hey, I beg, let a woman tell me this, let a woman be telling me those stuffs. You are my earth, you are my cucumber, you are my tomatoes, you are the apple of my eyes. Actually, do women tell you those stuffs?
Maybe from time to time.
From time to time. Oh, you guys should show us the way. I've never seen a woman telling me that, Elvis, you are my apple. They are the apple of my eye. You are the cucumber, blah blah blah. You guys know your sweet words. I know God, I know that woman has been telling him those stuffs. All right, so Euro card, we are in Euro card buys now. We are in USD card buys. We are also in what trade?
Can you check NSD CHF for buys?
NSD CHF for buys. Prince Will says Elvis, it's not pronounced cucumber, it's pronounced cucumber. Hey. All right, cucumber. All right, so you are the cucumber in my garden. Cucumber. NSD CHF, yeah. You see, those are the guys that always women flatter them. They know these stuffs. Cucumber. NSD CHF. Gabi says, are we looking for buys? This is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Nope. I'm not taking this trade. Why am I not taking this trade? Now look at this. This had a breakout, above. All these are breakouts. Okay, all these are breakouts. What we can do is we will draw a zone here. We can draw a zone here. Okay, maybe yes, it's possible a buy, but let's see. There's nothing here. There's not even a trend. What trend is this? Gabi. Unmute and talk.
I think it's a reversal. That's what I think it is.
So let's see. There's no trend here. This is like a ranging market, and it broke above this, and this is a breakout straight. So let's see. I think I would be looking for sales on NSDCHF. I wouldn't be looking for buys. But let's see. Okay. Let's see. This is not a right straight to take. Stop index is a sell limit. Step index is a sell limit. It's a sell limit. Sell limit at 29245. TP 9220. Stop loss this. That is. Let me look at the word. Is it cucumber or cucumber? Irene, is it cucumber? Cucumber.
No, it's not cucumber.
It's not cucumber. Hey. So you guys have been laughing at me. Cucumber. Okay. Oh, Karim. Okay, you guys have been laughing at me. Cucumber. I was saying cucumber, and Gabi and Ashi were laughing at me. You guys didn't correct me. Okay, I'm also here to learn. Cucumber. Okay, cucumber is widely cultivated creeping vine plant. Okay, cucumber, not cucumber. Hey, I've disgraced myself. A whole legend. Cucumber. Okay, I always say cucumber. Wow.
Cucumber the other. Mamba.
Oh, auntie, I didn't know.
Saying that cucumber. Really? I didn't even know you're talking about that. Wow.
Cucumber. Okay, cucumber. Gold has triggered. Someone says gold has triggered. Let's see. Okay. Gold has triggered. So we are now looking for buys on gold. Let's see. Cucumber. Obos Lengariba says Euro JPY. Possible sales. Whoa, looks like a downtrend, but guys, what do you think? Those on the Zoom, what do you think? Should we take this trade? Euro JPY.
I think I'm already in that trade.
You're already in that trade. Buys or sells?
Should put
Yes.
sell limits.
Okay, you're in sales on this trade. Oh, great. It's a good trade, sales, but I wouldn't want to take this one. I would be holding USD card, Euro card, gold, Bitcoin. Those are the three trades that I would.
And the Ethereum.
And Ethereum sell stops, yeah. Gold has triggered. We hungry. Let's see what happens with gold. I'm starting to. I didn't love gold, but I'm starting to like gold. Jessica Alito says it's pronounced cucumber. Hey, you guys will kill me today. I'm tired though. Hey, yo, you guys take your English away. You are here to look for money. Cucumber. Okay, cucumber. I didn't know it was pronounced cucumber. All right, let's look at USD card. What's happening there? All right, nice. It's already in profit. Little profits. There's a breakout, guys. This is a confirmed breakout, because normally after every breakout, market needs to go up, retest, and it was trying to have a retest, but you can see this becomes a reversal, another pullback. So it confirms a buy on USD card. So I'm in a buy on USD card too. A buy on USD card, a buy on Euro card, a buy on gold. GU, I left the sales. It already hit my TP. I didn't even notice that it has a TP. You guys told me that it has a TP. I don't really check. That's how I trade. I don't really check my charts when I'm trading, right? I take the trade, I put an entry, put sell stop loss, put a TP. I leave it. if it hits TP, I understand that I'm going to lose $200 or $500. If you understand how much you're going to lose per trade, you don't really care about the movement of the market. You only panic when you know you've over risked. That's only when you panic. But when you know that, okay, I would lose $20 here, I would lose $10 here, you know that you are prepared for it, right? So USD card in profit, let's see how many pips. Just a little pips, just a very, very little pips, little pips, because the target is somewhere 100 pips. So yeah, very little pips, 13 pips in profit, very, very little. And let's look at Euro card. Okay, Euro card also in profits. Nice. This was a trade that we took. We had to wait 48 hours to get this trade.
And Elvis, can we check AUD USD buys?
Okay, let's check AUD USD. Euro card 22 pips in profits. Nice. Gold minus 10 pips. After it triggered, it went back down. AUD, let's see. AUD USD. I was looking for sells, not buys.
Sells.
I was looking for sells earlier because why? Because market is having a breakout. You can see.
Yeah.
It's having a breakout. You know, after that's one thing about trend lines, right? One thing about trend lines, it's there's going to be a break. You know, when market got here, it's rejected. When it got here, rejected. When it got here, rejected. It got here, rejected. It got here, rejected. So definitely, we were all expecting a breakout somewhere soon, right? And that is a breakout and retested, right, the zone. And I think it's a confirmed sell, not a buy. I wouldn't be taking buys here, but we have sell stops here. So if you guys, let's take AUD trade. I wanted to. This trade will trigger tomorrow, not today. So this is for tomorrow. You can take it. AUD, USD, sell stops. Actually, it makes sense, yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense because if you are not looking for buys, it has already broken. Trend line has been violated. This is a 30-minute time frame. So sell stops at this price 0.74827. TP is 0.73409. 100 pips TP. Our stop loss is 40 pips. So basically we are risking 1:2.5. Right. There's a cucumber trade. Alright, I guys done copying it. Always please check card. Yes, we have a card news. We are going to trade card news live, but we need to trade US30, then we trade card news. There's going to be a card news at 9 p.m. So after we trade US30, we trade card news. So let's straight look at US30 now. Alright, let's go into US30 now. What is up, US30? What is up? Yesterday you humbled me. Today I'm coming for you. Be hungry. All right, US30. Wow, the trend is now what type of trend is this? Those on the Zoom chat.
It's an uptrend.
Yes, is it a strong trend or a weak uptrend? If it's a strong trend, let's see why. If it's a weak uptrend, why?
It's weak because there is smaller retracements.
Okay.
Strong because there's small wicks.
It's a strong uptrend because there's little pullbacks. That's how you notify strong uptrends and weak uptrends. When you see an uptrend with big pullbacks, this big pullback, it makes it a weak uptrend. But when you see an uptrend, you can hardly see some pullbacks. it makes it a strong uptrend. So USD is in a strong uptrend. It's going to be very risky to be looking for sells today. For some reason, it's going to be very risky to be looking for some sells today. So I think we should be looking for buying opportunities here on US30. 5 minutes to market open. I don't really get hurt when I lose money on currency pairs. I don't get it. I don't really care. But when I lose money on my favorite pairs, it's like someone has hit me with or stabbed me with a knife. Right, so let's take buys on US30. We are going to 5 minutes into New York City, so let's be fast. Let's be quick with this. Quickly. Let's be quick with this, guys. Today I'm trading the erratic movement, right? I'm going for buys. Is it buy stops or buy stops on US30 at this price? I'm going for buy stops at 35,830 at this price, at this week price. Okay, then I would be targeting something like 900. Something like 70 pips move, 70 points move right here, and our stop loss would be somewhere here. 3580, right? 3580. That's 50 pips. Risking very little here today on US30. We have a strong uptrend, right? We would sell later, but I don't think it's right time to sell now, because the uptrend is really the trend is really strong, right? So stop loss 770. Okay, and our TP will be somewhere here, 35,930, and put it up here. TP will be 35.9 because there'll be a confluence here and we would short from here. It makes sense. Makes sense that way. Then our TP on US30 would be TP 35,930. 100 points. 100 points. Who is taking this trade with me? I'm only the person taking this trade. I'm not going to risk big on this for some reasons. I'm still holding gold, guys. I'm still holding gold. Those asking gold. I'm still holding gold. Yes, that's a stop loss. Let's see if it's New York session is in 1 minute. So let's see what happens. US30. Right. Okay, session has opened. Let's see if it will get triggered. Let's see if it will get triggered. Nope, hasn't triggered yet. Still be look at gold, guys. To be looking at gold too for me. Okay, hasn't gotten triggered. This is why we use buy stops. Let's see. Effort Center says this is fun. How fun is this? My girlfriend Abigail says, can we look for VIX 75 for selling opportunities? After US 30 maybe. Let's finish with US 30. Wow. Hasn't triggered, so no trade now. So it gets triggered, that's when we are going to have a trade. Oh, it's selling now. This is why I do like buy stops and sell stops. This is why I like. Has only one straight got triggered. No one straight got triggered, right? So we are good. Gabby, did yours get triggered? No, great. So we are good. We are still happy. We are still smiling. We are having fun. It could also be a pump, a dump and pump, right? Now it's consolidating, right? Let the market go wherever it wants to. Let the market go wherever it wants to. We would definitely, if it breaks below this, we would look for sells to this zone. Okay, we look for sells to this zone. If it breaks above too, we will look for buying opportunities to that zone. So it's all good. Let's see. Patience. Dog US 30 will sell. Oh, okay, let's see. We trade what we see, not what we think. Xness, I don't use Xness. Nana, you're physical. Abigail, though, can you give me your Telegram handle? Hey, boys. Obviously, you are here to explain why you took buys on gold. Okay, let's talk about gold before we come back to. Still keep the buy stops on US 30, okay? If it doesn't break up this zone, we are going to still buy. I'm still looking for buying opportunities on US 30 today. I'm not looking for sells today. But if it sells and our buy stops doesn't get triggered to, hallelujah, right? No pressure, no chasing the market, just being patient. Now let's go talk about gold. We are still in gold buys. How many? Okay, in profits. Now the reason why I took gold buys is very, very, very simple. Now look at the 30-minute time frame. Not even the 30 minutes. Let's come to the 4-hour time frame. This is where I make most of my analysis. Now when you draw a trend line, right, this now becomes a channel. Market has been respecting this whole channel. Market has been respecting this whole trend line, right? You can see lower lows. What trend is this? Those on the zoom. Uptrend. So uptrend, we are looking for buying opportunities. Are you going to sell this market? Selling this market doesn't make sense. With what's happening here, selling this market, yesterday we had some sales, dope, but selling this market today doesn't make sense. Look at the 1-hour time frame. It doesn't make sense. So we just waited for confirmation. It broke this zone and boom, we are looking for TPs. The TP could be, someone's TP could be 1820, but my TP is 1808, just to be, just for us to get something to get something today. Always do check USD card. Michael Asante says I'm in a sell on US30. That's great. That's great. I'm looking for buying opportunities. That is why I use the buy stops. Markets can down before it buys, can pound before it down. So no pressure. USD card. Are you guys in profits? I don't know. Nice, in profit, but very little profits. Very little profits. Very little profit. These kind of profits are not, profit that you should celebrate on. Right, let's look at gold. Nice. Let's see. Still be checking US30 for me. Still be checking US30 for me, but we're in gold buys now. Beautiful. And you can tell me any pair you want us to trade to. We will trade it. Okay. Those are the Zoom pair that you think we should trade.
Nasdaq.
Nasdaq. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq. If US30 is selling, Nasdaq should be.
I'm in buys in Nasdaq and it's in profit.
You're in buys in Nasdaq. Oh. Let's see. Nas 100. I'll not take buys now. Let's wait for it to move above. Right, let's see. I'm not taking buys now. If it breaks above, we could have a nice flow to 15,700 or 15,800, but I don't think buys on Nasdaq now makes sense. Let's wait. As you can see, it's rejecting now. Let's wait. We'll take a trade on Nasdaq on US30, but we just need to wait a bit. Okay, US30 has broken below this zone. Let's still see. I'm trying my best not to rush. We need to get good opportunities, right? Not just sell. So deactivate the buy stops, guys. Deactivate the buy stops. I think we should deactivate the buy stops. I'm still looking for buys. Don't worry about that. I'm still looking for buys. I'm not selling US30 today. I'm still looking for buys. Let's do this on US30. You can see it's rejecting this zone, so definitely buyers could come in now, right? So let's do this. Instead of just sitting down, let's just put a buy stops on US30. Move these buy stops here. Like I said, I'm still looking for buys on US30, right? So move the buy stop to, let me see on my phone, where 730, 740. Okay, so move the buy stop to 735, 740. And please do check gold for me. Okay, buy stops on US30 at 35, 740. Stop loss 690. 35, 690. Okay, and our TP still the normal TP. US30. To cancel the buy stops that we already put. So US30 buy stops, you can see it on your screen, 740. We are targeting 840 TP and our stop loss 690. Gold in dope profits. Gold in dope profits. All right, US 30 would be triggered soon. US 30 should be triggered soon.
Triggered.
Triggered. Great. Let's see. How to be a legend on US 30. You guys. Alright, so trigger US 30 has been triggered. Let's see how it goes. TP for US 30 is not 35, 35 8 30 840. Okay, 840. 840. $840, 100 points. Let's go look at gold. Gold. Wow, it went up and it's pushing down. Please, gold. We are hungry. I'm hungry. Gold, we hungry. Gold is going up. Yes, it was going up and came back down for some reasons. What's the TP for US 30? 830. But you can put it at 932. It's also valid. All right. Gold in like 10 pips profit. This is something that you shouldn't celebrate. US 13 like just 7 points, profits. Let's see. Wow, moving nice. US 30 moving nice. Moving really nice. 13 points in profits. US 30. 20 points in profits. But it's something little. It can't even buy a shoe. It can't even buy flowers for Gabby's girlfriend. Gold is on fire. What's happening on gold? Why are you guys saying it's on fire? This is not fire, bro. This is not fire. This is it's dancing around. I always say this. I don't really like 20 pips, 30 pips. I always love the big pips. So whenever I see these 20 pips, 10 pips, man, it's me being angry. Mark said US 30 has to sell. It's buying. But it could sell too. It's possible. Anything is possible, man. Like anything is possible. Yesterday I saw profits. Was it $490 profit, 490 euros profit. I didn't take it and I came back to hit stop loss. I wouldn't be surprised if I see profits now. Right now I'm seeing plus 180 and you come back to hit stop loss. It's frustrating. So I hope it pushes up. I hope it pushes up for us. Gold, check card JPY. Yes, we have a card JPY news. So guys, I'm holding gold. I'm holding US 30. Yes, gold did some, was it 30 pips move? We are still holding gold. Okay, we are still holding. It did some 30 pips move, but came back to entry again. So I'm still holding, right? I'm still holding. US 32, same thing. Right, there's a news playing around. The whole market is actually waiting for this news. The whole market is actually waiting for this news. What news? Card news. We're already in one card pair, right? That is the Euro card. Okay, so let's go back, look at Euro card. How is it faring? Euro card. Okay, that's Euro card. Nice. So Euro card still in profits though, but there's a news around the corner. News in like, is it 14 minutes or so? So let's see. Let's just wait for the news, right? So we will be trading card CHF and card JPY. What do you think about card CHF, card JPY? Right. So I think we should buy now. What do you think? What do you guys think? Actually, what do you think?
No, I think it's a clear buy, to be honest.
It's a clear buy. There's news too, right? It's a clear buy because you can see this looks like a downtrend though, but it's respecting the trend line. Irene, what do you think?
I'm already in sales.
On card JPY?
Yeah, right.
Oh, what was your
Since
setup? What did you see that made you go for sales?
I think I showed it to you.
Okay, that was a trade. That was a sell trade. Yes, it was a sell in the morning, but now it's on the trend line on this area. This is a very critical area. So guys, this is what we are going to do for card news. I didn't want us to use buy stops, right? So what do we do? It has already gotten to the next zone, so I think it maybe should respect itself and go up here before going down. That is like 100 pips. Wow, like 100 pips. We take it or we leave it. Should we try our luck? There's a card news. Should we try our luck? Comment on the give me your comments. Max is saying, but dog, you said it, oh, you're a legend, man. What do you guys, should we trade the news or we should just leave it? I see 100 pips potential move here.
This is a buy low, sell high trade. I'm gonna take it, to be honest.
Okay, he's going to take it. I like risk takers. Irene, what do you think? Irene is in a sell. She's in a sell bias, so she can't comment. Karim, what do you think? Faith says trade. Okay, who else? Who else? Jessica says, I see card sells. Well, yes, I also saw a sell. Maybe it could break below and go for this whole. If it breaks below, that means it's going for 260 pips or 270 pips. This is not my style of trading, but it's just me wanting to trade the news, right? We could go for the scalp 100 pips before we come get the 280 pips later, right? It's just market being market. What if the news destroys our setups? That's why we are going to use stop losses. Definitely, we are going to use 20 pips stop loss. We are not going to raise more than 20 pips. So don't worry about that. Someone is saying gold is selling long term. Any buy is a pullback. I think gold belongs to it belongs to you. So anything that you say, you just wake up and say it. Huh? Okay, CAD JPY. Let's look at the whole trend. Let's try to understand what's going on here. The whole trend is arranging, yeah, but market broke above. But let's look at the news. What news is it coming? What news is coming? Right? If it's a hawkish, I'm definitely going for buys. This is not a hawkish. Sorry, that's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Card. Hawkish, yeah, hawkish. That means buy. Hawkish, man. I'm buying CAD JPY. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm buying this now. I'm buying this now. You can decide not to take it. You can decide to take it. It's a bit gamble, but man, let's just risk. So this trade, I would target a risky trade. News, we're expecting a bullish news. Though the whole direction has to sell, but the news is saying we should expect a buy. Always check the weekly. Let's look at the weekly. Yes, it's a sell on the weekly. You can see it has rejected this strong resistance and it's selling because it has already overbought and it's selling. Man, crazy. Yes, I understand it's an overall sell trend, right? That's why I said we are just going to buy for this and we are going to maybe sell again from this side to this. Should be like 400 pips. I don't know. Any trade that you stress on, don't take it. Alright, so let's not take CAD JPY. Let's wait for the news, right? If we see rejections, we will take a buy. If we see it's break below this trend line, we'll take sells. Very simple. Let's wait. For the news will come in 7 minutes. Okay, the news will come in 7 minutes. I'm still holding gold. Gold went up and came back to it. Still playing around entry. Just 5 pips loss now. I'm still playing around entry. I'm still holding gold. And US 30 up in profit, but just nothing to laugh about. Yeah. US 30 in profit, but nothing to laugh about. It's just a normal day, another normal day. Nothing really to celebrate. Just 20 points in profit. Okay, let's see. Always check on the Euro card. What is happening on Euro card? I started rejected. It's just back to the entry. Let's just see. Don't let pullbacks panic you. Look at what happened here. Don't let pullbacks panic. Look at what happened here. Market was going up, came down, had a pullback, went up, came down again, had a pullback, came up. So it's another pullback. Don't let pullbacks scare you.
Bro, 300 pips in the US Treasury.
Wow. 300 pips in US 30. That's like just $30. Or if you are using 0.01, $30. That means gold has to go down a bit, but gold is still playing around entry. If we can even get 830 on US 30, I would be very, very happy. 100 points, $100. If you're using a smallest lot size, beautiful. And if gold to also respect our hunger plea and also go up at least maybe somewhere 100 pips or 50 pips, we would end the day with 150 pips trading day, and that would be good. CAD JPY is on profit. Prince, which did you go for a buy? Or I didn't say we should buy. I said let's wait. If you bought and you're in profit, hallelujah. I want to listen to Archie. I don't want to listen to Irene. Actually, let's risk you and I, just both of us.
Bro, your card and the USD.
That's buy.
Because look at this, it's not showing rejections. Yeah, it's not showing rejections, and the news is also a bullish news. So, why would we be wanting to sell here? Though the whole trend, look at 1 week. The 1 week is, yes, it's bearish because you can see. Look at this. Look at the candles. Yes, it's bearish on the 1 week. It's very, very, very bearish on the 1 week. But we are just chasing some scalp buys. Okay, that is why I wanted to buy this. But let's do something. Let's see if we can put a buy stops. If it gets triggered, fine. If it doesn't, fine. Principal says I went for a buy. Okay. Jessica says I see gold retesting 1802 before going fully short, but then again gold does whatever it likes. It can go bullish till 812 to 820 before going. That is what I'm saying. It has to go to 1812 or 1820 before it goes down. That is my bias. No, I'm still playing at entry. I don't know why you guys are scared. It's just 10 pips, like 5 pips loss. Right, 2 pips even now. 2 pips now. US 13 blues. Still 30 pips, 30 points, sorry. Almost 40 now.
Elvis, can you please check USD card?
USD card. Okay, I'll check USD card. Let's trade the news. So this is a news trade. This is going to be a risky trade. I'm going to target a risky trade. Take it if you want. Don't take it if you don't want. So risky trade. Okay. Risky trade. Card JPY. Buy stops. Risky trade. Buy stops at 91.579. Okay, buy stops there. Here.
Bro, check US 30, big profits.
Big profit, yeah. I'm coming. So this, we are not going to use any TP. We are not going to, TP and stop loss is open. It's a news. So news has this parabolic move, right? In 5 minutes, you are going to see a parabolic move on CAD JPY. But I hope it goes our way. So just apply the buy stops and just wait.
I bought. I'm not waiting for the.
You've bought.
Yeah.
I like this guy. You have the like this guy. Let's go to look at US 30. Beautiful. Nice. Big profit on US 30. I'm out of US 30. Thank you. But you can still hold for the full TP. There's a full TP 840. Okay, there's the full TP 840. This is a full TP 840. So let's see if we can get to 840. But US 30 has been nice so far. 60 points in profit. 60 points in profit. CAD JPY, I told you guys. Ooh, I told you guys. I should show them that this is what we risk. Beautiful. Crazy. that is it. Now you are done. You are out of the trade. You just get into this. You're out of it. How many pips? How many pips in this? Close all positions. This is how you trade the news, right? Buy stops got triggered. Beautiful. And how many pips did we get? I'm just trying to.
Bro, USDCAD hits S stop loss.
USDCAD. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Wow, 70 pips. CAD JPY 70 pips. Wow, beautiful. USDCAD. Oh. Where is it? Gold. I didn't like this. I don't like this. Let's see for gold. I'll tell you guys to hop out. If let's just see. I'll tell you guys to hop out at the right time. USD card, I'm coming. Let me check USD card quickly. USD card, where is it? Wow, we went against that. Bad. All right, so USD card. Well, I forgot that there was a card news. If card is bullish, USD card will be sell. So USD card hit stop loss for -30, but I'm still bullish on this one. We would definitely get
Elvis
back in
CAD
this.
JPY is still going up.
US 30, beautiful, in nice profits. So we are about to hit TP 100 points fully, and we would be done on US 30. And what other trade?
Euro card.
Euro card. Oh, this is it. This is the news, right? Now let's learn something here, right? If there's a bullish card news, right, and let's say card JPY, card THF, card blah blah blah, any pair that goes against card would sell. So it's going to be the I even forgot about that, right? I even forgot about that. Where is it? Euro card. So Euro card, did it hit stop loss, or we still in the trade? It hit stop loss. So 2 stop loss hits today. Wow, today was about to be a good day, and 2 stop loss just hits out of the blue. And US 30 in blues. Wow, what's a day? What a day. Allison is a Euro card and USD card took me out. Same here. I also got out. It took me out too. Same here. What else? Gold is back again. I'm not closing gold yet. Let's keep holding gold. Maybe we'll get a recovery on Euro card on gold. Let's keep holding gold. And card CHF. Wow. 84 pips. Actually, we don't need to keep holding this.
No, I've closed my position.
Exactly, we don't need to keep holding this. We don't need to keep holding this. Euro card, wow, Euro card. I'm like $400 down there. Euro card. Wow. So if you hit stop loss, we hit stop loss. Wow, this move was crazy, like crazy. So let's try see if we can get a recovery. I'm still holding gold though. I would opt out of gold after maybe 1791 or 1790. That's when I would give up on gold, but I'm still bullish here. And US 30, I've closed my positions. Let me see. I've closed my positions on US 30. Euro card same thing, and I don't know how to describe today. Is today a good day or is it a bad day? It's going to be a good day for Ashi, of course, but for me, still, I don't know. Irene, what do you say?
Bro, it's good, it's good.
Euro card hit stop loss, USD card hit stop loss. So this is what you guys should learn today from our live trading, right? When let's say there's a card news, right? Especially if in the future, in the near future, when you are going to trade a card news, right? And let's say you see card JPY buys, you're expecting buys on card JPY. That means any trade like Euro card, blah 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 card, blah XSS card pairs will also go the opposite direction. I totally forgot that. I totally forgot about that bias, right? This is on me. This loss is on me, and we are going to recover that loss. 3 wins, 2 loss. It was supposed to be a good day, but well, it was supposed to be a good day, but I'm out of the card JPY. I took like 70 pips profit and I'm out. Boss, synthetics. What do you want to trade on synthetics? Alison says I've lost all to Euro card. That is what I'm trying to talk about. We've lost our our profits on back to Euro card, and look at gold. Look at gold. Man, crazy. We wait for it to hit our stop loss or we opt out. Let's see. I don't like this at all. Once everything is confirmed, you see profits and you see loss. I don't like it at all. Billy says always we can see some sales on what? Card JPY. Let's see, man. Yes, gold finally hit stop loss after entry. I'm not taking it again. Let it leave. Whether it goes up, it goes down. I'm not taking it again. I'm done with gold for today. Being a swing trader, I don't know. That's why I love using small time frames now. Yes, the weekly is sell, but definitely market wouldn't sell. Guys, look at this. This is the whole trend. You can see the trend of the market. This is the whole trend. The market has been respecting the trend line. So definitely, I took buys here yesterday, 1788, and for you guys, we took buy stops here, and we were in profit, and it came down. So it is what it is. Your JPY, it's buying. I didn't take any trade here though. I didn't take any trade there. Euro Aud, I'm not in that trade. This was last 2 days trade. I'm out of US 32, so you guys should know that I'm out of US 30. It could rally up to 940, but there's no need being there, right? There's no need being there. So I lost my profits to Euro card from US 30, and I lost my card JPY to gold, so it's still a drawdown day for me.
Elvis, what was the stop loss for the Euro card?
Euro card, let's see. This was a stop loss. The news went against us. This was a stop loss. 1-4. Let me put it this way. This was a stop loss, 40 pips. So this is a great lesson for us. Correlations: when card XSX is a buy, XSS card is a sell. I totally forgot about that. That means we should have been looking for selling opportunities in card after looking at the news. So this news was a sell. This was the sell. Sorry, this was the buy news, right? I took it with Ashi, but I think Ashi still lost on the good. Ashi, did you?
I'm just thinking that everybody should not enter each trade. Just enter the trade you feel you need to enter.
Come again.
It's not about taking as much trades
Yes,
as
it's not
you
about
want.
trading often, taking many trades. Let's just take one or two. Yeah, I get you. There's always opportunities in the market. There's always opportunities in the market. So now gold becomes something like this. Yeah. Gold becomes something like this. I think it will now have a breakout. If it breaks below this, gold would be bearish for me. I wouldn't no longer be looking for buys. I would now start looking for sells to maybe 1770. Just catching analysis.
Bro, you can look AUD USD.
Aud USD.
Yes.
Yes, it's buying. It's buying. I was looking for sales, and it has broken above the zone. I don't know. I wouldn't chase this market now. I'm still sell buyers on XSS USD pairs. I'm sell buyers. I think all these are just pullbacks. So let's see. If we had focused on trading just this news, I think we would have been in good profits and great profit. Tomorrow we have news on euros, we have news on USD. So we are going to focus on euro pairs and USD pairs for tomorrow. Alright. Euro pairs and USD pairs. US 30 is still good. 6 points to hit our full TP. I left this trade. Actually, because I was seeing let me show you guys this. I left one position actually. And that is my profit now. That's my profit now. I'm still holding BTC too, right? BTC, don't forget that our sell stops is at 58,200. That's where our sell stop is, and BTC sell stops is at 58,200. ETH we have sell stops there, yeah. ETH, we have sell stops here too, 3,900. It will trigger soon, not now, but during the Tokyo session, I'm expecting BTC and ETH trades to get triggered, right? And trade wake up before we do close in 15 minutes, right? Trade wake ups, BTC, ETH, it will trigger this night, if not this night, tomorrow morning. So be aware, okay? And we did hit gold stop loss. After some few pips up. I didn't even notice this profits. After some few profits, we went back to hit stop loss on gold. And then Which other trade did we take? Euro card to same thing, USD card to same thing. We did hit stop loss, 20 pips stop loss on USD card and Euro card. So we did learn a good lesson today. And card JPY 80 pips in profits, USD US 30 100 points in profit. NAS, I didn't take the trade, so I don't know what went on there. We were just looking at it. So if you took the trade and you are in profit, fine, but I didn't take this trade. So Bitcoin would get triggered tonight, right? Tonight, and we did take a trade on step index to sell limit at 9245. Sell limit at 9245, not now, 9245. I think this should maybe push up to this trend line, then we can see sells from that trend line to somewhere here, right? Any questions for the day? The wizard is shouting, hey.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Any questions for the day? Any questions so far?
No question.
I've already entered Ethereum cells. I'm telling you.
You've already entered it.
Yeah, Ethereum cells.
Let me see. I also did, but I did a sell stop for mine. I did a sell stop. I don't want to. But one thing, if gold is going to sell, right, we can still sell gold. Let's see. If we can get gold sales, if gold is now a confirmed sell. Let me leave you guys with this trade and we go. Right, so if it breaks below this level, we can get some sales here. Sales below this. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. If it breaks below this, I think there should be a sell, but let's just leave it. I'll post a signal on the signal page if I see something nice. All right, so 12 minutes. Any questions on the I think when there's news, we are advised to quit all trades on that currency. On which currency, please? On which currency?
US 30.
US 30 went well, isn't it? I left US 30. I told you guys about it. Oh, you are still in it? Actually, are you still in it? No, we all left US 30. We all agreed to take profits. We took, some took 80, some took 90, some took 100. I don't know. So we all left US 30. US 30 was done because I was expecting that pullback. So USD card stop loss hits, Euro card stop loss hits. I think the news went against all those pairs, and it's a great lesson for us. So whenever you are trading card news, if card XXX is going for a buy, you know that XXX card is going for a sell. It's just going to be the direct opposite of that trade. That is a bias that I know this, I knew this, but I don't know what came up, why I didn't even pay attention to that, but it is what it is, right? So tomorrow, go to we hit stop loss on go to US 30 went well. BTC would get triggered tonight. BTC will get triggered tonight. Hopefully, BTC will get triggered tonight too. And step index, I think it should get triggered this morning or tomorrow morning. I think not tonight, but tomorrow morning. It should get triggered tomorrow morning. Right, so I think that is that for today. If you all don't have any question, tomorrow we are meeting same time and we are going to be trading just the news. We are going to be analyzing pairs though, but we are going to be trading strictly the news, right? We have news on euros, right? We have euro news. We are going to have USD news. That means we are going to trade Euro pairs, Euro XXX pairs, and we are going to trade USD XXX pairs, right? Those are the two things we are going to trade. And we're going to trade US30, of course, and we're going to trade some few synthetic pairs for tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to trade the news, just the two pairs, just these two pairs, right? So tomorrow, actually, I will be meeting you again. Irene, I hope you come again. Karim, I hope you come again. Gabi, I hope you come again. Auntie, I hope you come again. Right, I'll see you guys some other time. Those on the live chat, do like the video, and share the link for tomorrow's link to your friends, and we get the vibes. Thank you for joining, and see you. Bless. See you tomorrow, same time.